approximately 6:17 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, residents reported being attacked by unknown creatures in Orlando and in Orange County. These creatures have been reported to be hostile. If you encounter these creatures, call 911 immediately. Do not try interacting with these creatures as it may guarantee death.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Orlando Police Department. The unknown creatures have disappeared. The threat to civilians is over. To repeat, the threat is civilians is over.